right, everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. I have a bag from Dollar Tree and a bag from Michael's to share with you today. I wasn't going to share either one of them, and I thought, well, if I put them together and I can share with you what I found, and anyway, it's been a day. I hope you're having a good one. I wanted to share Dollar Tree first. So don't forget the October challenge. There's only 8 more days. I hope that you will go over to the October 1st video, which is linked below, and go check it out. Enter. One of the giveaways is just making that entry in the comments, so I hope that you will. All right, so Dollar Tree has a lot of stuff out. They even have their Christmas, it's almost Halloween. The fall stuff is everywhere. You can still find quite a bit out there. So I know that there's been years that I've gone and they haven't had a lot. So anyways, I'm looking for Hondo to come and Leo because I'm talking and really they're not here, so it's interesting. But anyway, I found these cute old-time Santa looking napkins, and I thought they would be fun to use in some crafts, don't you think? Or even in a junk journal. Really cute napkins. So if you haven't done like faux rice paper or use them in your crafting, check out napkins. Dollar Tree does have some cute napkins. They also had these fun tags out already. These are wooden and they're so cute. And I love to use these types of things in my junk journals, but they're also cute for your gifts, which is what they're intended, or for hanging on your tree. So, gift tag, junk journal, I don't know. Anyway, Dollar Tree has this cute little novelty. It is an LED coaster. You have to have 2 of the little CR batteries to make it work. It says it's included with it. Should we turn it on and see if it works? I was thinking about the kids. Oh, look, it comes out like this. Oops. Let's see, on. Oh, it does work. If you can see the lights going around it. Look at that. And they're in there too. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. It does work. That's pretty cool. You can put your drink on there. The kids will, oh, it has different speeds. So now this one is going a little slower. And then it just stays on. Well, these would be a fun little gift for a party, don't you think? All right, now I have to go look for some more. They're LED coasters. They come with the batteries. I don't think you can replace them. At least that's what it seems the best. So once they're out, they're out. But how cute is that? Oh, goodness. I like that. All right. I did pick up some little ornaments. These are fun to do with your crafting. So I got the deer and Merry Christmas. And then, let's see. Oh, and the snowflakes. Now, I want you to know they have white snowflakes, but these are sort of like an off-white, which I thought would be cool with vintage type things. And then the words are back. So the metal words, peace, joy, and believe. All right, and if you're wondering, I always buy things for the kids' church. I did buy that, and that's already for them. So now the next thing that I want to share with you is from Michael's. And Michael's has some sales going on. I did go there. I think I took some pictures talking about busted canvas. They had 10 piece of the stretch canvas, 10, and it was $12 or something. So, I mean, relatively comparative to Dollar Tree. So if you were gonna make some busted canvas for Christmas gifts, like with people's pictures or maybe a decorative picture, that's the place to go. but they didn't have the regular artist canvas. They just had the stretched canvas there. Then I did pick up a 50 piece of the card sleeve plastic bags, because I use those a lot. And then they had Christmas, some things were on sale. So this is Recollection sticker book. So it had some fun stickers in here, and they had 3 different themes. This one is the deer and the fur. It's called I guess Merry Christmas. And then this one was like fur and trees. This is your ephemera and stickers. Yep, die cut stickers. And then this one was Christmas trees. So really cute. And I don't get over to Michael's too much. And honestly, I wanted to see if they had the Christmas papers on a hot buy, but they did not. So I don't pay $19.99 for a pack of papers. Not that it's not worth it. I'm just saying I'd rather get it on sale. So I always look for the sales. Let me see. I brought that stuff up but I did find one paper pad for $9.99. That is a 12 by 12. So this is this one. And it is an autumn one. And it has these pretty plaids in here. So I'm just gonna flip through it for you so you can kind of see the different colors. And it is single-sided, but very, very pretty. And this was $9.99 for 48 sheets. And it is a special edition, so they probably won't keep making it. They also had some leaf packets. It's called Table Scatter, but I use it in my journals and on different things. So really, really pretty. You get 48 pieces, and it was on sale. It wasn't $4.99. Oh, here's my, yeah. Oh, all right. Now I can tell you actually. So I did also have my rewards. So I don't know if that gave me any off, but the canvas was $12.99. That's what I thought, 12 something, $12.99. The paper pad was actually $8.49, so I got a discount on that. The leaf scatter, or the leaves, were $2.97. These little books were $4.24. And then let's see what else did I get. Oh, I got some ribbon. So the ribbon, you guys know me in ribbon. Okay, so I got some ribbon. These are the ribbon I got. These pumpkins are so cute. The pumpkin ribbon was $3.40. $3.40 for 30 feet. Isn't that cute? Then this one, which is so cute, ribbon. It looks like fringe ribbon. This one, $3.40. And then I got a red satin and a green satin ribbon. The green is the wider, $4.69, and then the red is the small 1/8 for $1.70. So good deals all around at Michael's. I hope you find some good deals if you go there. Watch for a poll from me about the journal that I'm going to make for the gratitude collab. So I want you to vote. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I don't know what your favorite thing might be. There's a lot of goodies here and a lot of good prices. So have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.